Working President ke UDP ubak Paul Lyngdoh hakasi bar Jingkyrduh ulong baka Jingeh baka Jylla Mynta Kadei hakaliang kaseng sain perthai Kadei ke Jingkyrduh Nongialam. Ubak Paul ulong yakani habai kran chapang ke election 8,000 arpulai yakaba National West Constituency Kadei ke Jingkyrduh apreng ubak Paul Lyngdoh ubak Mohendro Rapsang baru President ke BJP ubak Ernest Mauri.
Well, in politics, we do not underestimate anybody, especially given the dimensions and the various factors. The fact that Shillong is a multi-ethnic, multi-linguistic constituency. I have full respect for all candidates who will be in the fray. The only important and redeeming factor which I see as a major strength for us is the fact that I have always been a performer, both when I was in the government and in the opposition. And let us also look beyond West Shillong. The state itself faces a major crisis of leadership, political leadership, which is why if you look at various indicators, we have not performed to the potential, the optimum potential that Meghalaya has. So the missing link here is the leadership crisis, and the state faces that major crisis. We have, with due respect, the quality of legislators in the state has gone down to an extent that even the common man on the street is talking about it. In tea stalls and in taxis, people are talking about this major lapse, major absence, this major deficiency of leadership. And with all humility at my command, God has blessed me abundantly. I have led the Students' Union since the 90s. I was part of the NESO as its General Secretary. And then I entered electoral politics and have fought, won and lost many electoral battles.